Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at something important, something crucial to every one of us. Okay, so we'll be looking at how you can invest, how you can make a little investment on Bybit and make a huge return every day or daily. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. All right, so what you just need to do is to quickly go to this more. If you go to more, you're gonna look for where there is Bybit N, right? Okay, that is, if you can see it here, you click on this more in order for you to look for Bybit N, right? So this is the N here, so we don't need to look further. So we're gonna click on Bybit N. And if you click on Bybit N, you're gonna wait carefully for it to open up. Okay, so now it's up. So what do you just need to do next? All you just need to do next is to watch carefully. Okay, you're gonna watch carefully and look for where there is USDT. Okay, and that USDT must be what? That USDT must be flexible. Okay, if you see this USDT, you're gonna to click on the USDT. I always advise USDT because most of us don't have a huge capital. So, and also if you are a beginner, USDT is the best place for you to be. You know why? Because USDT is a stable coin and it will be able to fetch you what you need at the right time. Though if your money is little, the profit might be low, but your profit will be consistent. So coming to this place now, you just need to choose what? You need to choose flexible. Here. You need to choose flexible. Do you know why? Because you'll be able to take your money anytime, any day. Click on flexible. If you click on flexible, it will bring you to a place of this very nature on your same USDT. Okay, you can see we're still on there. We're still on it. And what is the percentage you're going to earn? Here is it, 8.48%. In this 8.48%, it might not be much though, but it will be consistent, and it will depends on the volume of the USDT you have to stake. Okay, now we'll click on the USDT. Clicking on the USDT, it will bring you to a place like this. Look at this. You don't need to turn this on, because if you turn this on, it means it will be reducing, or your USDT will be facing reductions every day. Okay, so turning this on is not an option unless if you want them to be reducing your USDT every day. Why this one is a big opportunity? It's because everyone can do it. You have $1 to $100 million. In between 1 USDT to 100 million USDT is what you can invest here. Okay, it's what you can invest here. So all you just need to do is to watch carefully and also make your capitals available. Now you can see here which shows the APR. You can see here which shows greater or less or equal to 100 USD. If you have greater or equal to 100 USDT, you're going to get 8.48%. What if you have what is less than 100 USDT, which is here? You're going to make what? 3.48%. Okay, you can go through it to calculate this percentage yourself, because I do not wish for this video to be too long. All right, you can see here currently, you can see here, because I don't have an idle USDT or incidentally USDT on my wallet, which is why it's showing 0.0000 USDT. All right, you can see that, which is why it's showing that. Okay, and if you wish to add, you can just take a look at this plus. Take a look at this plus and add your USDT. Okay, you can see here my current staking amount is 0. Do you know why? It's because I've not staked anything. In this place, there's a remaining pool size. A remaining pool size is over 805 million. That's the remaining pool size. That is, this pool is very robust. Still very, very robust for you to invest in and make a lot for yourself. Remember, I said do not turn on this, because turning it on will attract deducting your USDT into savings for you every day. All right, you can see the yield time here. You can see the yield start time, the yield accuracy, and more. So the next thing you just need to do here is to come to this place to tick on this. Say, I have read and agreed to Bybit terms of services. Then click on stake. All right. If you click on stake, you're going to go into wait for this, which says 24 hours, right? You're going to go into wait for this and cash out your profit. Do not forget, it's 1 USDT to a what? To 100 million. 1 to what? To 100 million USDT. So this is very simple. All you just need to do is to face this carefully, invest on it, and start making a lot for yourself. Okay, so this will brings me to the end of this very video. My membership is also on. You can dive into it and see. There will be a lot that I'm going to drop there silently or secretly. And what you just need to pay for the membership is not much, just something very little. Okay, and also my Telegram group channel link will be shared as well, and also my WhatsApp. If you want a direct membership, a direct mentorship, I'll be able to give it to you there directly. So if you do have any question, you can drop at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.